Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. And if you're new here, my name is Paul. And for today's video, we've got a very special one planned because today in studio, we have the newly released collaboration between Adidas and Kith. These are the BW Army Trainer, a sneaker that harkens back many decades and has recently become extremely popular due to its slimmer profile and streamlined silhouette. Today, we're gonna go ahead and unbox these, break them down, discuss sizing, of course, see them styled with some garments from the website. Now, if you do enjoy this style of content, we bring in the latest sneakers. Be sure to go ahead and like today's video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Not only will that communicate to us to keep this style of content coming, but additionally, it'll help us find more kind people like yourself here on YouTube. As always, I will be providing all of the links to the garments featured in today's video in the description below, so be sure to check that out and peruse our entire catalog, which is comprised of so many different styles of garments suitable to anybody regardless of your aesthetic. And now, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into this box and take a good look at the BW Army Trainer designed by Kith. The sneakers do come in this special colored Adidas box, which just features both logos of the collaborators. Getting into the box, the sneakers do come encased in some tissue paper. They did include an extra spare set of laces if you wanted to go ahead and keep the sneakers tonal. And here we have the sneaker. As you can see, I did go for the brown colorway, which, full transparency, I did not have control over because I did get these in a raffle, but I can't say I'm mad at the result because this was my favorite colorway of the bunch. Now, jumping right into the details, beginning with the upper, we do have a very supple, nice quality leather underlay, which makes up a majority of the shoe. Sitting atop that is a super soft, hairy, and buttery suede, which serves as a nice level of contrast while remaining completely tonal. The shoes did come pre-laced with cream laces, and the only signifiers of a collaboration is here on the heel as well as on the tongue. So on its face, it really does look like this is just another BW Army Trainer from Adidas, but what Kith is known for doing is really dialing in quality materials and construction, leaning less into louder design language, and keeping things very minimalist in nature and letting the quality speak for itself. Kith is very, very intentional about these collaborations and dialing in all of those elements. And from my perspective, I think they absolutely knocked this one out of the ballpark. With that said, you do have a midsole and outsole that is a slightly translucent gum, giving the shoe a little bit of sportiness, and that essentially wraps up the entirety of this sneaker. As it relates to sizing, go ahead and take your true size that you take in all Adidas or sportswear shoes and you will be good to go. The shoe is slightly narrow, but not enough so to make you have to size up. Now, in my opinion, I do find this sneaker to be hyper versatile, allowing you to style them with virtually any style of outfit that you see fit, which I decided to go ahead and demonstrate for you in today's video. Beginning with this first outfit, I did go ahead and throw on a wool check blows-on jacket and paired it with our newly released G04 rinsed indigo denim. This is a singly washed rinsed indigo, which allows the denim to keep its raw form while mitigating denim bleed. What I love about this denim is that it does feature a relaxed nature all throughout, allowing for ample comfort, but you still have the silhouette of a super modern yet timeless pair of flare denim, which in my opinion is the perfect shape. Keeping the denim up is the vintage studded belt, which really serves as a nice detail and statement for anyone's outfit. And now, moving on to the second look of the day, I did throw on our newly released camo zip up, which does feature a silhouette that is relaxed with a subtle crop. What's nice about this one, it is made of a super nice, breathable, yet dense brushed cotton fabric, allowing for for you to have a nice level of structure while keeping warm, cozy, and comfortable. The crop nature of this camo zip-up pairs perfectly with our ultra baggy carpenter shorts. This Y2K cut leans heavily into the vintage aesthetic as it does feature vintage details and carpenter design language, all of that in tandem with the beautiful silhouette. It being baggy and slightly longer pairs well with the slim profile of the BW Army. For this next look, I went ahead and threw on the G05 Relaxed Straight Denim. This is a brand new silhouette just released to the site, which takes the backbone of the G04, it being relaxed to the thigh with a longer rise, but this time it does finish with a straight cut down to the ankle. This pair has to be the most versatile pair of denim that we've produced in a very long time for many reasons, but the main one being that is super complementary to any style of footwear, which definitely does include the BW Army. The jacket is a vintage workwear jacket in this beautiful brown colorway, effectively locking in the sandwich method where you match the top to the footwear. And for this last look of the day, I threw on the camo slub t-shirt, which features a tight, slightly cropped silhouette in this beautiful vintage camo. This lightweight cotton is perfect for the summertime as it is extremely breathable and comfortable and cut with a very complementary silhouette. I paired that with the G04 in light blue, which is a relaxed flare denim, allowing for ample comfort and modern styling. And that was just 4 different styles of outfits that you can begin to implement into your rotation in the event that you do end up picking up the BW Army. You guys let us know what you think about these sneakers in the comments below. And if you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, because that is going to conclude today's video. As always, I'd like to thank you all so much for continuing to support us here at Minimal. Don't forget to check the links out below to the garments featured today. And until next week, I'll see you again in the next upload for another Minimal Mondays.